Who we are. AirTree is a trusted HVAC solutions company delivering high-performance air systems for residential, commercial, and industrial spaces across India. What we do? We design, manufacture, and install air handling units, ventilation systems, and complete air conditioning solutions under one roof. Engineered for performance. Every AirTree system is engineered for energy efficiency, consistent airflow, low noise, and long-term reliability. Our promise. Our promise is not a slogan. It's our system. 10-day dispatch, unmatched quality, and trusted support at every stage. How we work. We study your requirement, create customized designs, manufacture in-house, and deliver fast with dependable after-sales support. Why AirTree? Zero outsourcing. 100% in-house manufacturing. AirTree. Quality on time. Every time.